You smoke your nuts off, champion. Hell, if I was you, I'd fire up right here in the goddamn room. Here. Got your pint of vodka, got you some Red Bulls, you know what I'm saying? I know my customers.
Take the vodka with you.
Take the vodka
What
with
do you? I'm not drinking anymore. Take it with you.
I'll just
Take the fucking vodka with you. Listen, but you gotta come get me in the morning. Okay? And, I want you to go by my condo, pick me up some clothes, and, a phone charger. Look in my refrigerator, pick up a package that says veal on it, marked veal.
Veal.
In the freezers, marked veal.
Done and done. What time do you want me here?
I'll call you.
Okay, you give me that day, you're out of here at 7 now. Oh!
What's that?
Oh, almost forgot, I got you some stroke mags. I've been in the hospital before, I know what you need. We got jugs, hot Nelson heat, ass masters. You just stroke it all day, you're a hero. If I was you, I'd just lay here pulling on that thing all day long. You know what I'm saying? There's a smile. Yes, sir.
Superhero.
Green Lantern.
What's the bird? Look, the bird's still watching you.